motor, and you will be testing the motor with the help of a 3 voltage battery cell. You have 2 cells here, 1.5 volt each.
Yep.
Which is a 3 volt DC cell, the battery in total. So first of all, you test whether this motor works fine or not by applying the voltage on the terminals, and then you will be building a full closed circuit with one switch and a bulb.
Okay.
One LED bulb. Okay.
Okay, so first of all, let's test the battery.
Yep.
So I'm going to connect with the propeller with the wires.
Yep.
And the 2 wires should not touch.
Yep.
And that works, as you can see.
Okay. So your motor is working.
Yep.
Fine. So now
we're going to create a light bulb, right?
Yes. And make sure it has a switch.
Okay. So this is the positive, the carved one.
Yep.
And this is the negative. So we are going to make it here. And the black is the negative. So the black is for the negative.
Yep.
And the red is for the positive.
Yep.
So we connect the positive here. Because the current travels in a horizontal line like this.
Yep.
So no, sorry. So then we put our switch somewhere like this. So then we connect one line of the switch like that. So then we get one more jumper wire and connect the other line of the switch.
Yep.
So then we connect the yellow wire to the negative.
Yes, to the negative terminal of the LED.
Yep. So we go around here. Oh, okay, so so
switch
right
is
now the
already
switch is on, so I'll
Mhm.
turn it off. And if I just connect this like that, and if we put on the switch, it works.
Yay! So you have a closed circuit now.
Yeah.
Perfect. So this is Rick's first electronic circuit project, where he has connected one red LED and one active buzzer in parallel, driven by a switch, and then connected to a 3 volt battery, which comprise of two 1.5 volt individual cells. Okay. And this is being controlled by the switch. If you turn the switch on, so both the red LED bulb glows and the active buzzer also sounds. Okay. So he's learning few things on active electronics. Thank you.